Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a black screen on your Dodge Charger's infotainment system using easy methods. First, let's try a soft reset. With your vehicle on, locate the volume and tuner knobs on your Uconnect system. Press and hold both of these knobs down at the same time for approximately 15 seconds. This simple action often forces the system to restart, clearing minor software glitches that might be causing your screen to go black. It's a quick and effective first step. If a soft reset doesn't work, the next easy step is to check your vehicle's fuses. You'll need to locate your fuse box, which is typically found either under the hood or beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. Consult your owner's manual to pinpoint the specific fuse for your infotainment system, often labeled radio or Uconnect. Carefully pull out the fuse and visually inspect it for a broken wire. If it's blown, replace it with a new fuse of the identical amperage to restore power. Still no luck? A more thorough reset involves disconnecting your vehicle's battery. First, ensure your Dodge Charger is completely turned off. Then, locate your car battery and carefully disconnect the negative terminal. You'll want to leave it disconnected for at least 10 minutes. This process performs a hard reset on all electronic systems, including your infotainment unit, by clearing its temporary memory. After the waiting period, securely reconnect the negative terminal, and then restart your vehicle to see if the screen is back. Finally, it's worth checking any visible wiring connections to your infotainment unit. Sometimes, a loose cable behind the dashboard can cause the screen to go black intermittently. Gently check if any accessible wires feel loose or disconnected. If, after trying these easy methods, your Dodge Charger screen remains black, it might indicate a more complex issue. At this point, it's best to consult a certified automotive technician. They possess specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair deeper electrical or hardware faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.